Yeah, today one person joined. He's my master in previous my BTech. He's a he say hi to all. He's Hare Krishna. Okay, what is the difference between language and coding? Language we understand. Okay, and why HTML? Why is calling language markup language? Because this language can understand only browser files. Browsers can understand browsers, but coding files can't understand browsers. Okay, any coding within the HTML format that time the browsers will be understand. Okay, we are just of all any language can do the programming, do the any websites. You can build the any pages within the HTML format. The HTML formats the browsers, any browsers can understand. Okay, in this you can see this is the angular brackets calls to angular brackets in the less than and greater than brackets in between the write the codes. That's called tags, and also in the tags we can define the uh, uh, what is this called, values and variables. This is the variable, one of the variables. Sorry guys, that is what is the name variable. Attribute, sorry. This is called attribute. This is the value we passes the values. What is this? En means English. Okay, this is the one of the attribute. Language attribute you can passes in the HTML tag. Okay, only in HTML is like a human body has a head and body and footer. In same like in a HTML also head part and body part and footer part is there. We want a footer part, you can add now in the footer section also. This is a footer section also. uh, who is this today done this code also. I can open my WhatsApp. Good, are you done any HTML files? Who is the sending today? Who sent the HTML files today? Who is this? Who is the sending this? Yeah, Nagendra. Nagendra, he is excellent. His template is very good. You can see Nagendra templates. Maybe Nagendra or not. You know. No, not an Nagendraj. Maybe. Who is this? Who is this? Kalyani. Kalyani, are you there?
Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, she is developed by this HTML. It's excellent. I already downloaded this. You can see she's using what is the tag? This is what is the tag, Lavanya? This is the scrolling tag. What is the anchor tag?
Mark,
Not anchor tag. Markup. Yeah,
marquee tag.
markup tag. And also she is given the links. It's not working. Maybe Kalyani. Okay, good Kalyani. She's also developed one form in this name, email, and message sent to this. But this form not action. I will explain today form action and post and get methods. I will explain now clearly. Okay, you can see also this is already I don't know now. She is also developed this code, and by default the value is given. She is we enter the address, and also these are all okay. Uh, okay, Kalyani, you can see you are assigning the values indirectly. I will open now this file. Also, I will show now what is your wrongs. You can see enter your address. You are providing the by default value in this. You don't given this type of values in between the text area. You can use the placeholder. Single quotations or double quotations as your wish. You can use now only in the HTML format. Okay, in the HTML only you can use now. Okay, in this time you can see that output how do it's. You can see. It's not correct. PLAC placeholder. Sorry. You can see. You are entering that time. That's array. Hide it. The provided address. That is a hide it. Okay. Okay. Choose the file. Open. Enter your percentage. Okay. Only integer. Okay.
Shiva, in that select your skills also is
Yeah. She is given value maybe.
values directly.
Yeah, it's a given value. It's checked. She's using checked because by defaultly it's taking the mail. Yeah, you can remove checked. Mm, now. Okay. Okay, great. Lavanya. Lavanya. Your name is Lavanya. Kalyani. Sorry, I forgot your. Okay. Mm, Coming to coming to this, how to connect it to these two folders in CSS. You can see what is the file we connected now. Bootstrap min.css, where we can find out. You can see these are all those are all CSS files. You can see min dot files. This is the file. You can see in the min.css file a lot of the CSS are by defaultly build it on the bootstrap. You can utilize now, but you can see in this you can see this is are all labels. Your labels calling this that time it's directly came to the your classes and your colors and your widgets. Okay, all widgets will be coming. Widgets means you are applying the colors and paddings and margins. All are background color, background images you are applying, and borders will be applying. We called the widgets. We calling the widgets. Sorry, this this CSS we are all calling the widgets. Okay, came to Django. That time we are calling the widgets. Okay. Okay, I will connect it now in the CSS with through my files. Okay, before we are all connecting in the this is the connected through the through we connected through the internet, but in this time I connected through these files. Okay, once I get I will run now. Okay, this file, what is the this file name? You can see demo.html, this file name. I will run now. Demo.html, this file. Okay. Mm-hmm. What happened?
home.html. Shiva, it is, I think.
No, 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 no. Okay,
It is this.
okay. This is maybe it's okay. Home.html. Okay, I'm changing now. Okay, in this hello world will be coming. We can apply this can apply the bootstrap. Okay, in the bootstrap I want to one form or a navigation bar. Okay, nav bar. Nav bar, what is the nav bar? I already told you this is the navigation. In the navigation you can see home buttons, home and documents, whatever may be. Depending upon our client requirement or our requirement, you can develop this and this type of links. Okay, you can see another you can see in this one of the grid will be coming, and also you can see this is the logo of the this website, and the signing option and create account option only in the navigation bar. This is the these items will be present. It is one of the search option also there. Okay, you can see a lot of nav options are there. Any one of you can copy now, you can utilize now. I can copy this. This is the this code I will copy now. I will utilize now. Okay, in the h1 tag I can remove now. In this time I can paste this code. You can see this is the title hello world. I can remove now title. Okay, and so now I can run now. What happened? Okay, not this file. Okay, demo.html. In the demo.html I can put this code. I can run now. You can see only add to link disable. This is only text will be coming. In this cannot apply the can't apply the I can't apply the CSS. Maybe in this CSS will be it's maybe wrong. Why this can't append in CSS? Min.css. Okay. Okay. This is correct, but this will be happen. What happened? Same will be I will give it. Okay. I will copy this code. Maybe in the integrity or real sheet, maybe it's a happen once. See in this, maybe that is the problem. In style sheet in integrity and this cross anomalous values are we can delete now. That time it's working. I'm also removing this code. Okay, this one it's working. Yeah, any doubts? How to connect the CSS file? Guys, how to connect this CSS file?
by using link tag.
Yeah, it's a link tag. Before we can see this is the tags are presenting in this line. We can remove now. First of all, you can remove integrity and these are cross region. You can remove now. That time it's only work. That time this file's working. Otherwise, it can't work. That related to that attributes are related to internet through access the tags because it's not can't access this time. Okay. Yeah, how to connect this folder? First of all, you can see in this in demo file is present in this, but in the CSS min dot file will be present in the CSS folder. First of all, I am present in the demo file. First of all, I came to this folder name main website. I came to main website. After I will go to because I am putting in the this dot. This dot means I am came to that I will came to that folder. Entire folder I will come. That time I can select the folder name. That is the CSS folder. After it is searching that folder are present or not. Again in the folder this file will be present or not. Maybe you are given any folder. Some folders will be present. That time you can give the slashes. After you can give the that file name. Okay. Understand or not how to connect the css and jss also same. It's already connected. You can also remove this integrity and all this. You can remove now cross region. You can just of all you can src only present now. Okay, put in the only src source. SRC means a source. You can see this is the explanation of this keyword. This attribute is specified the URL, the extension of a script. Okay, this is the can be used an alternative and embedded script directly within a document. Okay, script is element is a SRC attribute specified. They should not have a script embedded inside the tag. Okay, you can see every class, every attribute you click just of all you put on your cursor. That time it's showing the that related entire syntax. Okay, you can say document dot get element by id. This is the one of the syntax for javascript in the one of the uh, statement. Document dot get element by id by class. Okay, document is one of the method. Okay, class selector. Everyone you here in the hrefr means a link. You can give in the links also. Okay, page links means you can see html dot home dot html is present, home one dot html is present. I can save now. I have only two. I have three files are present. Home one, home. I can connect now. You can see in these links are present. It's a link one, link two. I can give the home one, home two, just home, and next link will be given to the home one. But in the same code will be present maybe in this same. I will home one in demo. Okay, home one also same code. Okay, you can see now output what happened. You can see now directly. I can run now. I click on home. What happened? Same way page will be coming. Home one also same will be. It's a no, not action will be performed because it's a action will be performed. That time you can use the form method. Okay, you can put on the form main. It's in most important of the form. Okay, but and also you can not given the your link. First of all, you can give the link. It's a home dot. You can see its options are present. Home dot html and next home.h1. Okay. And you can see in this time you can run now. You can access the that files. You can see this is the before file, and the home one is my website. I'm creating this website. Okay, how to link this? How to link it? Your other pages. How to link this paging? This is simple. You can see again in the class. You can use the anchor tag. This is the a tag. A means anchor tag. In anchor tag, or otherwise you can use any tags. Okay, and different tags are span tags are present. That time also you can use the hrefs, but all are using anchor tag means to connect with the other pages using anchor tag. You can utilize the only you can utilize the bootstrap code. You can go now, drag, you can select now that code, you can copy and paste now in this. Okay, and next I create one form. Okay, I just search on forms. It's a lot of forms are there. You can see form control, form controls. Okay, you can see a lot of examples are present in this. You can just copy and you can just paste it. After URL, after this header will be completed in the body, you can give in the head section only. You can give the head section. Okay, you are in a head section. You can, this is not a head, it's a nav bar, sorry. In the head section only giving the title and you connect it with meta tags. I already explained meta tags, how to utilize now. It's most important for a SEO purpose, meta tags. And links will be connected through the CSS files you connected in the head tag. Okay, and JavaScript files you can give the after body or before body, because first of all appearance is best. That time JavaScript will be helpful to the only some actions performs. JavaScript is one of the coding language. Okay, we do also JavaScript. We use the post the data, get the data in the database and retrieve the data from the database. Okay, using JavaScript. Okay, I understand. A body, in body you can, I can put in the code. This is the navigation bar. After I can put the code. What the form code I can put in. Okay, I can search now. You can see in the form. Just of all drag and drop. You can, what are the form? What will be? What is the your requirement? You can create now. You can search now in the Bootstrap. Okay, you can see in this type of one of the label will be present, one of the field will be present, one is the, it's a button will be present. I want to copy now. Can this code will be delete now. I will copy and paste now. I will create one form today. It's easily, you can see. And I will explain one thing. First of all, division. In division, you can see call auto, and also row is G3. What is the row is G3? You can see output. In the output is the one is the one column. This is the one column. This is the second column. This is the third column. You can divide into three rows. Okay. Sorry, three columns. Okay, columns is auto. Auto means how many columns are you want to automatically, that's adjustable. Okay, that columns, it's by defaultly taken width of the three. Okay, you can put on the column. It's a columns are divided into four parts, or will be six parts or four parts as your wish. Okay, you can put on three. That time see what happened. You can see the space will be this email action body. Okay, this label width will be increased, and also I am putting in the this width also I will put in the 3. You can see the width of the password will be increased, and also confirm identification, and also save now and run now. You can see any differences is in the identity form, confirm identity form, because that is the depending upon the you are already assigned MB3. MB3 means size will be same. In this three also same the. Okay, I can remove now MB3 in this, and I can put in the 6. Okay, no not modify, because by defaultly uh, in our bootstrap by defaultly the CSS BTN primary it's working by default that function, so I can remove now. That time you can see now it is now. You can see once I can delete the classes, that time not applicable to that related to CSS. Don't remove that type of CSS. You want another class created, that time you can give this some space, you can create now that you want any required CSS, you can mention the name. That time I can mention the BTN class name is button name underscore name. Okay, that time you can utilize this class. You can call now that button. Okay. First of all, in the form action, I will explain today. In the form action also, I can put in the form control. Okay, this is the one of the tag form control. Don't forgot this name. This value for form control is present in the bootstrap file. This is the most important. And next, division tag I can use now. In division, I give one class. I will give row. Okay, in row I given the text, and also okay I give proper text and create a name. Like input text id equal to name equal to name, and id equal to name, and most properly you can give the class name equal to form control. Okay, you can see what is the output in this. You can see in proper output it will be coming. It's a name and a field will be, you can see. Otherwise you without you can giving the form control in the class, you can see what is the output will be present. What happened, you can see it's a field in the form, because why it's coming came to this borders all this coming, because I am already given the form control in this form control remove, and the row also I will give remove. In this time what is the output is, you can see it's a normal type normal. I will already assign how to assign in the coding, that time that type of text will be coming, that type of field will be coming. In this time I cannot apply the CSS and bootstrap. Okay, I will apply the bootstrap through the form control. I can apply the form control. It's a thing, you can see I can divide it into this division. I can divide into some of the columns. Okay, I can take a one division. It's a division. In the division I take a class call 3. I can put in this code in the division. What happened, you can see before output and after output, you can see in the field name will be automatic. Before it's the entire field will be present, but in this time only 1:3 range 1:3 range field will be coming. 1:3 range means this is the entire form will be one name. In the name field will be 3. Okay. And also in the division, I can give the another one. You can say output. Okay. And next, I will same given the see output will be tomorrow section ఇలాంటి క్లాసెస్ ని మీరు ఇలాంటివి క్రియేట్ చేసి పంపించండి. ఓకే, సారీ. See, the columns will be divided into 12 columns. Okay, in this I will use the 3 column. 3 into 3 6, 3 plus 3 6, and 3 plus 6 plus 3 9. I utilize the 3 columns. Okay, I can divide into you can also divide into, in this time I can divide into totally in the column will be 12, but I want to, this is the 4. In this time I put in the 4. Also this is the put in the 4. This is also 4. You can see now this time output will be okay. Okay, I want to submit this button. Okay, I'm also taking one button will be, I will button value see one submit button is present, but it is not a colorful. I can use this CSS. At that time you can use the class. In the class btn, I can give in the btn. Just of all, so many functions are there, so many classes in this present, you can see in the submit button. Okay, and also you can give this mb3. Maybe what happened, you can see, I don't know clearly. It will be came to totally one search now. Anything you don't know, that time you can search now in the btn button group. Okay, buttons, you can see last option is buttons. Just of all, copy now any one of the this primary you want to copy now and paste it. It's beautiful. Okay, I will explain post method. I will enter the details. Okay, this is the password. Address. Sorry, this is the enter. That will become the
phone number and email address.
yeah, mobile. Okay. It's totally, you can see the password also I can change now. First of all, sorry, password I can't change that. Type equal to password. So you can enter the password. It's dotted lines, it is showing. Okay. In this time I post in the data, you can use this the post method. post equal to. Okay, I will explain post next. Method, I will explain method post. Not post. First of all, I will explain get method. Refresh now. You can see in the URL what is the URL is present. You can see in the file slashes c and colons slash users slash del and desktop my website main website demo html slash will be present. You can see the URL will be, I will submit this button, that time URL will be changed now. Some data will be added to this URL. You can see name, I will give in the name demo. Password will be something I will give in. Address also, city also, zip also, and mobile number I will give in. Okay, you can submit them. Any action will be performed. The form action will be performed. What happened? Method get. Okay. I'm not giving any post. Mhm. Sorry, I'm given the post. Okay, sorry, post also. Okay, one of the method. Oh, action perform. Okay, the action goes to home.html method get. Okay, I can again run now. I can see this. Can't perform. Why? It's a form I can take in. Yeah, what happened? It's not working. Why? Anyone know why this error will be coming? It's not working. I'm given correctly, but it's why it's not getting. Anyone? Given file address. I'm already given. Amrit. So what happened? I don't know. Enter anything. Okay. One thing, I will go to Bootstrap. Uh, Input group. Mhm. Multi-input group. Yeah, I can take this. Mm,
Shiva?
yeah. Hello. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Who is this? Hello. Hussein. You? Okay. Action. Yeah, it's getting. Okay. Yeah, you can see, guys. Action will be performed. Home.html. We given the data in this. Okay, you can see. There's sometimes we can't work in the Chrome websites. Sometimes you can. In this time, I am using in the Google Chrome. You can see. I'm entering the one mail. Given some password, you can know. Submit the button. That time you can see. Wait a minute. I can refresh now. .com. I will give password and also wait a minute. I'm not saving in this option. You can see so dot is present. That time I'm can't save it. The edit some changes will be happen. You can see in this time I can run again. Hi, Saru. All are present or not?
Yeah, Shiva. I'm present.
Yeah. Okay. It's going. You can you can see now. You have any login page is there. That time you were given the your email and password that go to the your home page. You can see any Facebook and any account you can see on your YouTube or any Microsoft, any accounts will be your given the your credential. That time you can go to the your own website. Okay, not your own page. Okay, this is the main form. The form action will be most important. Okay, the form will be, you click on the login will be present or check, you can submit button, you can click now, that time it's a action will be performed. Okay, any doubts in the form action? In the form action also, Django will be one of the one, share of token will be present at that time. That time you can, we are all, maybe it's a confusion time that time also. Okay, same method will be present, get method or post method will be present. You can see post method also. Same actions will be performed. No need of any difference are there. Okay, we can use the get method and post method. The data will be retrieved and posting as your wish. You are using get method. That time it's a security is less. Okay, post method is a very secure method. We are all are using post method.
Shiva,
Okay.
a small doubt.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, ask me.
What is the difference between get and post method and why it is used?
In the post method, it's a secured method. You can see in the URL, maybe it's not showing in this time. What happened, I don't know. But action method will be performed. The post and you can see the difference between post and get. In in the URL form, you are getting the response. That time it shows the in the URL path. In the URL path, this is the, maybe you are searching any, you are searching in your URL, you can see the data will be, maybe we are using get method, the data will be showing in this field, but in this time can't showing. Why, I don't know clearly. Maybe sometimes it's a browser fault, default actions will be perform also. Maybe I am using Microsoft related projects will be present in this my Chrome, because maybe that's happen. You can also do in your projects, that time maybe it's coming the get, you can use now get, that time the your submit button you are click now, the data will be showing the, you are adding in your URL. Maybe you are using get post method, that time the data can't show in this, only in your URL will be present. Okay, మీరు గెట్ మెథడ్‌ని ఉపయోగిస్తున్నట్టయితే ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎంటర్ చేసిన డేటా అనేది మీ యొక్క యూఆర్ఎల్‌కి యాడ్ అయ్యిద్ది. ఇక్కడ యాష్ అట్లా యాడ్ అయింది. ఎంప్టీ బాక్స్ అనేది. అలా మీ డేటా అనేది యాడ్ అయ్యిద్ది. అదే పోస్ట్ మెథడ్‌ని మీరు గాని ఉపయోగిస్తున్నట్టయితే మీ యొక్క డేటా అనేది అసలు ఏమి యాడ్ అవ్వదు మీకు. ఓకే, మీ యొక్క యూఆర్ఎల్‌కి. ఓకే. సింధుజ.
Okay.
ఓకే. Yeah, after that, I want to, this form is good or bad? Tell me. This is like, it's not a good. Okay, proper, given you are giving the proper way. I want to, this form will be in center. How to given, you can use this in the form. I can give the form control also in the class, one of the class I will give form control. Okay, and next I can pass the one class or ID. I given one ID, sorry, from ID equal to form. This is the form. I can copy now in the head section. I can write the CSS. You can call this one of the tag is in the HTML is the style tag. You can call now. First of all, you can write the style. Before write the, I want to write for form action only. I want to write the CSS for form action only. In the navigation bar also present. I'm not this time I'm not write the CSS in this navigation bar. I want to write this CSS for form action. Okay, I'm already given the one ID. Okay, I copy now and use this form. Okay, I want to margin. I apply margin. Okay, you can see automatically it's showing margin. It's auto. You have three types of values you given. Three methods you can give in the methods. You can use auto method or percentage. You can give in the percentage method, or you can use the inches and centimeters. EM method, EX method, EFR method, inches, mm. You have no PCs. That time you can give PC and you can PT, or you can give the PTR method PX pixels. We given the pixels or percentage. I can give the in the pixels. I can give the 20 pixels. This time you can see the gap will be present, but this gap will be within the width and height is same at a time is given. At a time will be coming. I want to only this horizontally width will horizontally gap will be present. How can I do? I can give the within the after, you can say I can give the 0 pixels. That time you can see the output any difference between. I can give more value. That time it's very good. You can see the left side and right side. You can see 200 pixels gap will be present. I want to gap between it's a navigation bar between and a form. That time I am also increase this value. Before this 0, I can put in the 5. I want to give in 100. That time it's a visible thing. It's clear. You can see this type of forms you can give now. I want to tomorrow. I will give you one task. It's showing one logo. In the top of the one logo will be present in the navigation bar only one logo, and in this top corner we can give the login option. In the page will be showing the some fields are present. One of the email field and a name field and password field, and next came to date of birth, some related to one person. How many details are present per one person. You can give these total fields, and after you can click the submit button. That time goes to one page. That is the home page. You can create now. You can link now. Okay, using Bootstrap you can utilize now. You can explore now. Lot of knowledge in this. A lot of fields are present in this. You can start now download. You can download now. First of all, you can see so many examples are also is there. You can download now, explore now the examples. Otherwise you can see what is the requirement. First of all, you can draw. You can design now in your paper. First of all, after you can do in the system. Okay, anyone any doubts today? Guys, we are using Bootstrap 5. Why we are using Bootstrap 5? It's a Bootstrap 5 mainly affected or not affected to the some Bootstrap is the most important. First of all, Bootstrap and Bootstrap. What is the difference between Bootstrap 4 and Bootstrap 5? It's a meta tags, mainly meta tags. Okay, meta tags used for just searching up optimizations and searching time. Most important meta tags. In the any keyword, you can enter you can put in your meta tag. That time, it easily returns your website. Okay. I will stop my screen sharing. Anyone any doubts? Guys, Hussein, any doubts?
At present, there is no any doubt, Shiva. If I will get any doubt, I will
ఓకే.
contact
అదే
to
మీరు
call.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు డెఫినెట్లీగా వస్తాయి. ఓకే.
Right.
యా భవానీ. Anusha, Madhuri, any doubts? Lavanya, Shivaram, Ravi, any doubts? No doubts? I'll leave now. Yeah, good night, guys.
Good night, Shiva.
Yeah. Sir, Hari sir.
సాంబార్
Sir, I will call you.
ఓకే
Okay.
సరే ఓకే